Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this super dramatic makeup look. I know that you've seen me using this color before in my videos, but I really like the way it looks like, especially for brown eyes. And if you have a little bit of tan, even better, it's gonna look really good on you. This is not the kind of makeup that I do in here. Most of the times I prefer to do very simple makeup looks, but you know, I'm an artist, I get bored, I like to change things up a little bit. So today it's going to be all about this look. Before we get into this video, make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you've clicked on that ring bell button. This is the only way you're going to be notified when I'm posting new videos. Now if you'd like to see how I've created this makeup look, I really like it. Like, I wanted to quit this video about 5 times throughout the whole filming situation, but I was like, no, I want to take this to the end. Let's see what's happening. And I really like it. So if you'd like to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. I'll start with some skincare. I don't show a lot of my skincare routine in here because it's very constant, so I feel like if I'm showing you once, then everybody knows that that's what I'm using. But I kind of changed things in my skincare routine, so just wanted to share with you. I'm going to start by applying these Puchology Illuminating Eye Gels. I've been using Puchology ever since they launched in France. I love these, and especially my clients love these. They're always in my kit. These are going to brighten your under eye area, and they're going to smooth your fine wrinkles. I leave these for about 5 minutes. They're supposed to work in 5 minutes. Now don't expect them to do magic on your skin. They're not going to. But they will brighten a little bit the eye area. And what I like to do actually, especially early in the morning, I like to keep them in the freezer for about 5 minutes. And then I take them out, I place them under the eyes. And if you have puffiness, it will just depuff the eye area like within minutes. It's really, really good. They come in a pack of 5. It's only my second time using this. I don't know if it's good or bad, and I thought I should give it a try. This is the Givenchy Beautifying Radiance Serum. I'll just do 3 pumps of this. Next, I'm going to apply just a current daily moisturizer. This is the Exuviance Age Reverse Day Repair, and this has SPF 30, so it's kind of like 2 products in one for me. I like to use SPF even if like it's raining. I still use SPF. After about 5 minutes, I like to take these down and just massage the remaining gel. I love to use this for massaging my skin. I do this pretty much when I'm in bed at night, but I thought I should share this with you. I usually apply it at night when I apply my my face oil. Like as you're watching TV or watching videos, you could absolutely use this. I will link this in my description. I got it from Neiman Marcus when I was in the US last year, but I will link it along with all the products that I'm going to mention in this video. I plan to do a darker eye. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I'll just go with the flow, but I know that I want to do something darker for the eyes. So I'm going to start with the eyes because, you know, if you start with the skin, you've got the foundation, the concealer, the powder, everything, and then you have some fallouts after you do your eye makeup, it's harder to take it off. You're going to be left with a darker area right here. I don't want that. I'd rather start with the eyes. I'm going to apply just a touch of concealer, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, on my eyelids just to have a uniform color on the eyelids, and just spread it with my finger. Then I'm going to take this Giorgio Armani pencil. This is a number 2. It's a tiny little one because I use it all the time. And I apply it right at the base of my lashes. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to smudge this anyway. I create like a baby wing. Then I come with this 219 brush from MAC. And I smudge it like so. And the same pencil, I sort of sketch my way onto the crease a little bit higher than where my actual crease is, and I connect these two. Then I take a bigger brush to further smudge this. The same product I will be applying at the base of my lower lashes. Then with the same brush that I was using it earlier, I smudge it. Then I'm going to be using this palette from Fenty Beauty, and I'll take this color right here, and then with a 221 brush from MAC, I apply this eyeshadow on top. I'll take the same 219 brush from MAC, and I'm going to apply this color everywhere I've applied that pencil. Same on the lower lashes. I had to clean a little bit this area because it was just going way too high for my eye shape. Now I'm going to take a black eye kohl, another one that's tiny because I use it so often. This one is from Tarte, and I apply it right between those lashes, not on the waterline. If you apply it on the waterline, from my experience, that does not hold very well. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that black at the lower lash line, but only on the outer corner and the inner corner, and I smudge it. I'll also take some black, any black eyeshadow would work. Apply it right here at the outer corner. I'm applying a little bit of that blue here at the inner corner. Just want to give the eyes a very like elongated shape. For the next step, I'm going to use this Elise Fass cream eyeshadow. This is in E109. I like to use this like right in the center. I'm not going to do a cut crease, but I want to make this place in the middle right here a little bit lighter. So I'm using a flat brush, Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage brush. Same product, I use it right here under my eyebrow. Now I'll take this, I'm sorry, I'm using like so many different things, but it's this color that I really want to use, this one right here. And this is the new Dior Backstage Eye Palette in Amber Neutrals. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous. And I will apply it right in the middle. You see it has a beautiful like a peach tone. I love it. I'll use this Marc Jacobs mascara. I think I'm going to do lashes anyway. Now there is a lot going on with my eyes. So the skin, I want the skin to be beautiful, like glowy. So for that, I'm going to use my NARS Sheer Glow. Now this is not a new foundation at NARS, but they came out with new colors. Guys, if you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. Dry or dehydrated skin. I've tried it with oily skin. This is not a foundation for you. It has a medium coverage. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a self-tan on, so I'm going to use a pretty dark color, Stromboli, to match my face with my body. It's so much darker. I'll use my trusty IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush. I love how this foundation looks like on my skin. It just blends with the skin. Sheer Glow has always been a favorite of mine. I know it looks kind of yellow right now. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. If you are in France, we finally have Tarte as well. They're a whole range of products. Come with the brush. If I need more, I apply more, but I don't want to apply too much. Okay, next thing is this Laguna bronzer. I love this thing. It has a very subtle glow. You can use it just to give your skin that beautiful bronzy look. I prefer to use it with a synthetic brush. I truly like this one. This one has an angle. It's from Kat Von D. So I start with the forehead. I go lower right here on my cheekbone. See, it has that beautiful golden color that I absolutely love. God, I love this product. I love it. Remember when I was using the Hourglass and I just didn't like it. I wanted to give another try to this one. Smith 232 brush, because I don't want to apply powder all over. Why is it that we have these times when we absolutely love a product and then a couple of months later, a couple of weeks later, we just don't like it anymore or just doesn't work anymore? Laura Mercier, it's a setting powder. It's also a mattifying powder. I feel like this one, it's not as long lasting as the other one. If you have very dry skin, you probably love the Hourglass. If you have oily or combination skin, I would advise you to go towards the Laura Mercier. I wanted to quit filming this makeup 5 times throughout this video. I was like, no, I want to stop. I want to stop this right now. But I kept on going because I believe in the process. Here's the thing. I want to make this color in here pop a little bit more. So I'm going to mix these two colors, this one and this one. Alright, now I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs fine liner. Is it fine liner? Fine liner. On the waterline. This is in the color Nudist, and from my experience, this lasts the longest on the waterline. You know when you apply something lighter and it just doesn't stay in there? This one lasts really, really well. MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Oh my god, it took me 3 years to do this look. I'll use this Clinique Innocent Peach Blush, a Misa M006 brush. I have recently received these beautiful lashes from a brand called Sweed, and I've already applied one. These one in particular, they're in collaboration with By Terry, and they're called Tete a Tete, and I love it that they're only like for the outer corner. They're very, very light. You don't feel like you have something that's obstructing your view. That can happen with some lashes. I'll use this exposed highlighter. This is from Tarte. I was very curious about this one. When I apply a powder highlighter, I kind of like to go over with my finger. This way I feel like it sort of blends with my skin. Now with this Morphe M514 brush, this is a blending brush, I will just take a little bit of the Hoola bronzer, I have it in a palette, and give my nose just a tiny little bit of a contour. For the lips, I'm going to use this Il Makiage waterproof lip liner in the color Coffee. The lip liner not only gives you a very nice and well-defined lip shape, but it also prevents your lipstick from smudging. It also makes your lipstick last longer, especially if it's a classic lipstick. After I apply the contour, I like to fill in the lips a little bit with the same pencil. The lip gloss, this is in Peaceful. It's from Nude Envy. If you love lip glosses, check out Nude Envy. They have amazing ones. And this one in particular, this color, it's that beautiful nude. Look how elegant this lip gloss looks like. I can't get over how beautiful it is. I have a few other colors, Whisperer and Affection. I use these all the time with my clients, all the time. I really love to use a mist at the end of my makeup. It depends really on the mist that you want to apply, but just so you know, for example, this one that I'm going to use right now, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Whenever I go in the United States because you cannot find this in France. I buy about 20 of these because everybody, all of my friends and my closest clients, they're like, please bring me some. This is amazing. It is like a hydrating cream in a mist. So you can apply it definitely when you feel like your skin is super dry. Let's just say you have nothing on your skin, you just want a boost of moisture, or you could apply at the end of your makeup, especially if you've applied a little bit too much powder and you feel like the skin is too powdery. Apply this just like 1 pump, 2 maximum. Makes your skin looks like skin. But if you have oily skin and if you don't like the shine, and usually people with oily skin, they don't like the shine, this is going to be a waste of money for you because it makes you look oily. You will love it if you have dry or dehydrated skin or combination skin, but make sure you don't apply it on the T-zone. Apply it more like on the sides of your face. However, this is a very, very good product. Alright guys, this is the final look. It's a bit different than what I normally do in here, but I still hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. You've clicked on that ring bell button, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on my stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! What does the princess want? What do I want right now? Pizza. Before we get into this video, flyways. I look like I'm mean. Like I'm super mean. Like I'm the craziest out there. Mean nanny? I don't look like I'm a nanny.